Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Meiji. I'm back for today video, guys. We're going to reaction again. That one of artists that Putri Ariana. Guys, this one I know this music. The title of the music is Nothing Gonna Change My Love for You. Wow. It's nothing gonna change my love for you. Oh my God. Ooh la la. Guys, but before of that, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. And I forgot to say it again. Thank you so much to everyone who is subscribed to my channel and who is always like and support to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciated. Guys, by the way, we will give again rank to her, how much, and then what kind of quality of voice of her. Alright, guys, it's not only the first time that I reaction, but this is first time that I hearing from her. Alright, stay tuned, guys, and let's start play. Nothing
gonna change my love for you.
You know, even she's like that, but she is you know, gifted. Ay, bravo! Mashallah. Mashallah, guys. Already done that music, guys. So she have a nice voice. You know, the voice of her is like an angel. My God, she's still young, but even she's still young, you know, Allah they are giving to her is perfect voice. Even I'm a Filipina, but you know, I like that voice of her. Guys, sorry for my English. Alright, she's so blessed, and then she's so lovely voice. It's nice song also, you know. She have beautiful face, and then she have, you know, like, you know, innocent. She's still young. My God, she's nice. Okay, guys, we will give rank to her. Actually, I will give 100. No, he's always 100% nice voice, you know. Like, you know, like she's like angel, because even she's like that, but you know, you can see, but see, you can see her, right? It's nice voice, lovely voices, you know. Everybody they are saying, even in the comment, she's like an angel, right? If you're listening, right, it's so a beautiful voice and nice, right? That the quality is perfect. All right, guys, I hope breathe, exhale, inhale. I hope next time again, guys. I hope it's not only this time. I hope more reaction for her, because she have a nice voice also. And thank you so much to you, Putri Ariana. Thank you so much to you. And also, guys, I hope you liked my reaction for her. And also, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. If you are new to my channel, guys, I hope again and again and again and again and again and again, don't be tired to make comment to my reaction, guys. Even I'm not a perfect person, even I hope that do you understand my English, even, you know, sometimes I'm not a perfect. Nobody perfect. Alright, guys. Guys, by the way, already done that our reaction. See you in my next reaction. And bye-bye and masalama.